Getting into the POV, you probably can't properly see the box because the lighting is ridiculous, but here she is. This is the G715. As you guys can see, this is the wireless version, and then right beside it we have the G705. This is the mouse. This is also wireless. Now, the reason why it took me forever to actually unbox my computer is because I went ahead and also got this keyboard cover, so you guys are gonna see me put that on the keyboard, but yeah, I wanted you guys to see this. And I also got the lightning charger. Alrighty guys, moment of truth. Oh my goodness. So we have some cute random instructions at the top. You guys can't really see because of how close I am. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay. So she's beautifully packaged. Ooh, this is her. Super duper beautiful, if you guys can see that. So I'm gonna put this to the side and show you guys what comes actually inside of the box. So we also have this little cute tab right here. So opening that tab up, it also comes with the cloud armrest, which makes this collection so amazing because everything about it is cloudy. Look at that. Look at this, so cute. Oh, then of course inside the box you get the little sticker, you get an instruction manual, and of course, so actually on the back of the keyboard we have the stands, which I'm gonna go ahead and flick up because I like for my keyboards to stand. You guys see this little USB drive that is inserted into the keyboard? We are supposed to remove that and put that into our PC, and that's gonna connect the keyboard to the computer. So now we have that keyboard attachment that I'm gonna go ahead and put on, and it literally slips right on like butter. So right there, as you guys can see, super duper cute. Now getting right into the mouse, now we're gonna go ahead and unbox that. So here we got the Logitech like wrapping paper. Off rip, we also have another charger. So I have literally 3 chargers. I have mad Logitech chargers because I got a charger for my headphones, my mouse, my keyboard. Then I got an additional charger just so that I can meet shipping requirements. Ridiculous. Now what I didn't know is that the mouse already comes with the receiver attached to this USB cord. So all you have to do is plug it in and it will properly work. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be back to show you guys the keyboard and mouse finalization. Oh, here she is, guys. Look at that. So beautiful. And I think that is lavender. Look at it. So cute. Okay, so on the back of the mouse we have this right here, and as you guys can see, that light is blinking for us. Now let me actually show you guys a hack or a trick. If you want to change the color of your mouse, you can. You just press this button right here and she changes. So at the very top of the keyboard, as you guys can see right here, we have the switch. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip that switch on and show you guys what it is giving. You guys can see. Look at that. Super beautiful, so delightful. Then for those that don't know, underneath it also lights up. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this unboxing. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. I'm also gonna go ahead and link my gaming channel down below so that you guys can go ahead and follow, because I don't post all of my gaming content in here or on this channel for the simple fact that it fucks up my algorithm. And then on top of that, like, y'all know what we be doing in the PC world, so like I can't really be posting all that here. But yeah, guys,